everybody, welcome back. So I have partnered with Fabfitfun to bring you guys this video to share with you some of the add-ons that will be able to be purchased to put inside of your seasonal Fabfitfun box. If you're unfamiliar with Fabfitfun, which you shouldn't be because I've done some unboxing videos and I talk about them. I even have a discount code down in the description box for them. Now they are a seasonal box that you can get for $49.99, but if you use my discount code down below, then you will get the box for $39.99, your first box for $39.99, and that is a good deal. Fabfitfun sends full-sized products, and in your box you are going to get at least $200, if not more, worth of items in your seasonal box. So with the add-ons, if you have already subscribed to the seasonal box, then you're able to go onto their site when they release the add-ons, and you're able to put or add what you would like that will be shipped in your box with your seasonal box. So the add-ons go pretty quick because they are really nice products that are discounted at a really heavy rate. So they're gonna go really fast. So if you are subscribed to Fabfitfun, then you will be very interested in these items that I am getting ready to share with you. So if you haven't signed up for Fabfitfun, make sure you get the discount code down in the description box. Go sign up, and that way we'll be box sisters, and when I get mine, you'll be getting yours, and we can compare what we got. As far as the add-ons, they go pretty fast. You have to get them. If you want something added into your box, you have to go on there when they start the date for the items to be able to be sold. So I'm going to share with you what they sent me. That will be some add-ons that you can put into your summer box. Also in the description box there will be a code for the add-ons. So not only if you're going to sign up for Fabfitfun, there's a $10 off of your first box, and then there will be a code also for the add-ons as well. So they sent me this box full of goodies. I kind of went through it, but I really didn't. I just kind of skimmed off the top. So let's get into what some of the add-ons is for the summer box. The first thing I see was this cute little makeup bag. Now with Fabfitfun, when you get your seasonal box, they usually send like a paper or a newspaper type thing that shows you about the items. It shows you the price of the items and everything. However, with the add-ons, I'm just showing you what will be on their site for you to add on, and I'm sure that there will probably be a description or something about the product that I'm not able to tell you about, but I'm just showing you. So this bag is by, it says Elemis, I believe. It says it right here in this corner. And what is inside, which I've never heard of this brand, but that's another good thing, is because you get to try out products you probably never seen or heard of, and really nice full-size products. So this is a Pro Collagen Marine Cream Anti-Wrinkle Day Cream. Looks like this. So this will come in this bag, as well as this Pro Collagen Cleansing Balm. Very interested in using this. I can't wait to see what this is about. A deep cleansing balm. I've never even heard of that. And then this is the Elemis Pro Collagen Oxygenating Night Cream. And I love moisturizers and night creams and stuff like that. So I cannot wait to try this out. So this is one of the add-ons that you will be able to put into your summer box. The next thing I pulled out was this Tarte Hair Goals. It's a dry shampoo. Now honestly, these items are available to you all if you want to add them on. This is not something added because I don't really use dry shampoo, but if I'm not mistaken, I have seen a tutorial or something on YouTube where you can use dry shampoo for some of your wigs if you want. So I will look that up and try that out, but I've never even known that Tarte had hair products. I just usually go towards the makeup, but this is one of the items that will also be able to add on. Now here are some resistance bands, and like I said, Fabfitfun, it is about fashion, lifestyle, fitness, so they always usually have some of those items that you will be able to add. And this is part of the fitness. Is the 3 resistant bands by My Tagalongs, light, medium, and heavy. I'm very happy to get this. I needed these. It says no more excuses, workout at home or on the go. So this will be an item on there as well. So I pulled out these, and I am super excited by these because I really honestly needed these right now. I needed these, and I love that they are some silicone travel bottles. I like how they are shaped like, they look like the old-fashioned like light bulbs, like Christmas light bulbs, but they come in this cute little zipper pouch. Let's see, it says refillable travel bottles are made of soft and durable silicone. And it holds 2.5 ounces, and it's green, blue, and white, and I'm very happy to get this in this box. By Body Pure, and I've been seeing the gloves for the feet, so I'm excited to give this a try. It's the keratin gloves and socks, nail strengthening and skin nourishing all-in-one hand and foot treatment. Easy to apply, disposable, and for individual use. You get 1 pair of gloves and 1 pair of socks. So this is definitely a cool item to add on to your box, and it gives you all the directions back here, and I just think this is going to be super fun to try. Next thing I pulled out is some dry skin care homeopathic itch relief. It helps relieve symptoms like eczema, dry hands, dry red bumps, psoriasis, everyday conditioning, rashes, or cracked feet. And so this is definitely a good item to probably add on to your subscription box. And like I said, these items will be heavily discounted, and you can only add these items if you already have a subscription to Fabfitfun. Ooh, look at this, a fan brush by Tarte. I can't wait to play with that. This is really, really pretty. It has the gold and the purple right there. And it's just your regular fan brush. It says high performance naturals. So this is definitely a cool add-on. Recently started trying or messing with the facial oils. So this is one by Grown Alchemist, and it's an antioxidant facial oil with Barago, rosehip, and buckthorn. It's 0.84 ounces. It's in this box. It says free from skin agent toxins and all kind of stuff on there. So let me see what this looks like. Oh, and I like that it has the dropper top like that. And so this will definitely be on the add-on. Some of these items, if you guys like, let me know, and I will do a review of some of these after I give them a try. But you also have to remember, like I said, you can't wait for my review. If you are subscribed to Fabfitfun and you are interested in these items, you have to get them because they sell out quick. Next thing I see is Smith & Colt Book of Eyes Eye Quad Palette. In the color, it says Ice Tears. And I have never even heard of Smith & Colt. I know that's probably bad. But yeah, I've never heard of them. Packaging on this is beautiful. It's like a silver or like chrome. And I want to get this open so we can look at this. It has a mirror, the full-size mirror. And this is what the colors look like. Look at that blue and that silver. Oh my goodness, those are beautiful. And I love how it has the black background. And at first when I looked at it, I thought it was like crooked, but it's supposed to be like that. Really, really pretty. Really pretty. Oh my goodness, and very pigmented. Look at that blue. That was the dark blue right there. So that is in there for an add-on. The next thing I'm going to pull out is this Daily Concept made from 100% natural and preservative-free cognac root. So it looks like this. And what I noticed about this is one of the items that I did take out the box and looked at. Now what I noticed about this is the scrubber itself. It still has the plastic on it. But this pouch has the hole right here, and then it came with a suction cup. So I'm going to be able to put this in the shower, suction it to the wall. It has the dots right here, so this piece can probably be taken off, and once you're done taking a shower, you just drop your thing back in there, and it's like suction to the wall. So it's not only you're getting this product, you're actually getting a little case for it that has the holes at the bottom so the water will drip off of it. And yeah, so this is super cool. I really like this. And I've never used one of these. What does it say? Biodegradable, vegan, and never tested on animals. No chemicals added. Delicate for sensitive skin. No parabens. And yeah, so I think this is really cool. Getting to the bottom of the box, the next item is this Tarte, the Lip Sculptor lipstick and lip gloss. I have seen this. I was interested in this, and this one is in the color Candid. So it's like a peach type of a color. And I was very interested in this, but I just hadn't purchased one. So this is pretty cool. And I think, oh my goodness, look at that container. Look at that gold. And that color is pretty. It's like a nude color. And it says Lip Sculptor lipstick and a lip gloss. So you get your lipstick at the top. I dropped the top, but you know what I mean. So I pulled the top off, and you have your lipstick up here. And then you have your lip gloss at the bottom. So you're getting 2-in-1 that you can carry around with you. And yeah, and this is a Tarte product. 3 more things in this box and we will be finished. This is a hand-in-hand sustainable suds body lotion in lavender. I was trying to, because it says sustainable suds, and I'm like, is this a body wash? But it's a lotion in lavender, palm oil free, 98.3% natural. It is 8 ounces for every product purchase. Hand in Hand donates 1 bar of soap and 1 month of clean water to a child in need. I love products that do, you know, things like that, that donate and give back when you purchase one of their items. So this is really cool. It is lavender, so I will be trying this at night when I'm thinking I'm gonna go to sleep, because lavender is like a scent that's supposed to help you calm and get you a good night's sleep. So this is definitely something that I would have added on to my box. Were in there and they are identical, so I'm only going to show one. It is the is it Ahava? I love that word. Ahava Element Beauty from the Dead Sea, and it's a Dead Sea water mineral hand cream, and it says Sea Kissed. Now I don't know if when you add this on, will you get the 3? I'm sure on the site it will explain to you what you will be getting. But however, they sent me 3 of these, and these are little hand creams. One of these I will put it in my purse. The other one I'm gonna give. One of them I'll give to my mom. And yeah, so I am interested in trying this out, and I can't wait to see if I really like it. And last but not least in this box is by Zoe Isla. Is it Isla? It is a revolutionary electronic makeup brush cleaner and dryer. I am tongue-tied. And I am super excited by this. I had my eyes on something like this recently and I didn't purchase it. So I am excited to try this out. It's the spinner thing. You put the brush in there. Now I can't give you a tutorial or tell you about it because I've never used it. But I know you put the brush in there. You put your water in there, and I know it spins or something, and then I think after you pour the water out it spins and it dries it. I'm not sure, but I'm going to give this a try. It says regular cleaning of your makeup brushes is critical. Use this tool to easily clean your makeup brushes in seconds without leaving any mess. So and then it shows you all the parts and everything that you're going to get back here. And yeah, so this is really nice. Those are all of the add-ons that you're able to pick or choose and put into your subscription box. That way you pick these items, and when they're ready to ship out the seasonal summer box, then these items will come with your regular box. So like I said, if you are interested in any of these items that I showed, then make sure you check out their site pretty soon. I think these are going to go on sale really soon. Check out their site, and that way you can purchase these at a good price. And don't forget, there is a discount code down below, and yeah, that way it will come inside of your box. Now thank you to Fabfitfun for sending me these and for working with me. I truly love their subscription box. I think it's one of the best out there, especially because you're getting all of these expensive and really nice products for only $49.99. every season, but your first box is only $39.99. So thank you guys all for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. Let me know down in the description box. Let me know down in the comments if you're going to add anything, or if you're actually going to go ahead and finally subscribe to Fabfitfun, because I usually always talk about them, and my code is always down below. So thank you guys all for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.